Good day, Mzansi. Good day, South Africa. Dumelani, Sanbonani, Absheni. I am Tshego Fatso. And today I come with such a heavy heart. You know, I come with such a heavy heart. I'm seeking help from South Africa. My family and I have been scammed 10,000 rand by Mr. Moloto, Mr. Landak Rehabilitation Center. They have scammed my family 10,000 rand. And we've seen the great work that he's done on social media, but we don't understand why, when it came to us, when we needed help, when we're in dire need of help, he decided to scam my family. So I'm asking for help, Zant. Okay, Mzansi, so how we got scammed by Mr. Moloto, Mr. Landak Rehabilitation Center, ne? What happened was, we have a family member that's on drugs, ne? And we needed like help. We still need help, actually. So we decided to reach out to Mr. Mloto. My father and my uncles, they decided to reach out to Mr. Mloto. I mean, he's shown such incredible work here on TikTok, on social media, and I mean, he's like now this lead person what he drugs in South Africa. So we decided, why not also give him a shot? Um so we tried to now get a hold of him. We got a hold of him and we told him the situation, and he gave us the procedures. Every payment for over a duration of 6 months is gonna be 10,000. So my uncles, they were like, okay, they paid the money. I mean, they didn't have any trust issues because this is a well-known figure. I mean, come on, we all know Mr. Muloto. O tla tla ka batho ka di odd hours at night, and o tla botsa hore like, hey monna, Joha, where's your pillow? Where's your pillow? You understand? So okay, fine. Um, how? So he was supposed to come on a Tuesday, got those odd hours, tsa gagwe, a tlo collect the person, and he didn't show up till this day. You are on a Friday today, okay? Good Friday, okay? So ke re bona hore actually after the Tuesday, yeah, I say in the morning vele ka re bona hore man, this person is not coming. Okay, they tried calling him and stuff like that. He did not pick up the calls. And then they tried calling him with a different number. He picked up the call, and then by pretender, like, we're looking for services. Mr. Mulot. Oh, those people, they told the person that called the same thing. Oh, okay, this is the process. What. We transfer the money. How? But whom? Okay. But these very same people who just scammed us, they're still doing the same thing, but they are continuing with their dirty job. Okay, so now I decided ke upon myself. Ke re nona ke tlo mo thola the real Moloto. There's a Facebook account with 31,000 likes, and there's a WhatsApp linked to the page, and also numbers mola. Hi man, I'm gonna call this Moloto. I call this Moloto. Ke a mmotsa ke re, hey, how are you? My family was scammed. Brad, the scam, they're all over now. Yeah, there was someone that was scammed. Again, it's not you guys, and we opened the case, and there's some people that got arrested last week Wednesday. So go open a case, like I encourage, go open a case, yeah, so that we can build more evidence against these people. I wanna, yeah, maybe give us babang manje, because these people got arrested last week Wednesday. We got scammed this Tuesday. All right. We very well, like I very sure too. Now I tell him, I'm like, okay, I can try this scam, we need what, but then we still need help. We still need help. It's yeah, we still need your services. So now we are 10,000 broker. Is it? Yeah. We need your assistance. Okay, fine. Man, because naki bale the scam. This is as back and forth ka di calls. Because like ke lona ba le ba di-scam. Man, e re ke tla tla ke fe location address, ke tla Friday. Ke tla Friday, ke tlo monka motho o, because lona ba le scamile, ne tsa ditjhelete re tla di bua after. Bona how Lina, I'm happy. I'm like, hey, thank God, process progress. I tell my dad, listen, this is what this real Moloto is offering. because we're scammed. Yabo. He will still pick up the person and then we'll talk about the monies later. Okay, sharp. How? He will pick up the person on Friday. Today is Friday. Kim Fonele Maubane, and then progress. No, man, I'm not sure if it's gonna be today. I mean Friday. I think chances are it's gonna be Saturday. Oh, okay, no problem. So yeah, Namara I know I said Tabatadi Chalete will see them. Mara, can you please just try air petrol, air transport 1.5? Kupukenya 1.5 and then for the other months later. Hi, okay, no problem. I'll talk to my father because Kena the main person, watch it. How? Okay. Actually going back on a scam, Kim sendele the proof of payment. So once what happened? Even I'm shocked. I responded very quickly. Alright, man. I get one of the proof of payments. One time you guys were scammed. You guys paid into this account at Time Bank. How can you pay into an account at Time Bank? Because Time Bank has no physical location. Like, how can your father now be fooled like that? Up at Teleco Time Bank because there is no physical location. Like, how can you pay into a Time Bank because there's no physical location, right? How are you gonna complain or hi man, sorry, now I run a business. Ke run a business mo. Ke run a business and need like how no re ke ka sebedisa Time Bank. Ke sebedisa business account. Oh, okay. Yeah, no. I wanna your father made a mistake because how can they even fall for that? Because now I run a business. I can't be using Time Bank. I need to use a business account. Oh, okay. Fast forward, send me your banking details. Okay, send me your banking details because I want you to pay the 1.5 yeah transport. Okay.
Are dula mo fase are kota motho merere we Simon are December idieng are na more yang are nyake miriri ya nkga ya tshwana le o ka re ke mmopo are kota fuck off a se feo mang wena o fe wena o thuba ntwa mma o mokitimisha ka dithipa ka mo e re o bontshe fem fan ya are o ithate mfana man
mara mriritse ya nako la
so nna ke tsena kae a ke re o ga fisha ke yona o ga fisha ke miririnyane ya gago ya nkga that's right o tla bona le lenyatšonyana le o na le lona le to fokotšega after tšhila tše tša go di tswile mo thogong
this is not fair bro
so nyoko gore go be fe ka mang wena le tšo di hey are kota meriri wa gago are ke mang o ka re nyoko to re bora le ena o ska nyoko to re tena ka hey man hey wena shut up aparadia itse beng maga tšaka Crystal what's your crystal ka o bolaya e ja di brain cells do you know crystal e tla bolaya e tla o kokona monagano wa ithata the way o leng o kopone gore bjang queen gape tla o fetsa man se o feditse so o ikemiseditseng bophelo ba o ne bo le bjang before o tsuba crystal and then ke eng mo no ngwalang mo what were you writing on the wall una le daddy una le what so what's that happy
I
did. I took a full bath before I slept.
A full bath? Kadi chepisi mo molaleng.
I was making
Amagwinya. Then you said you took a bath before you slept. When I was you not my chance man. The rest happened. Let's go.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Also don't forget to smash the like button. Ignasisi lo hambela ba ku TikTok why you expose Mr. Mulodo or ngokumscam or scam family yakhe rather 10K sana. So people defended Umulodo saying Umulodo hlala nitshela ukuthi unema kunebantu labavula ama fake accounts lamaningi kakhulu bazama kuscam abantu nawe sho ukuthi nawe victim uyala uma scam leyo because Umulodo his real akaskimani vele uowner rehab abantu abaningi futhi bayasida guys ngamthanza ngendlela lesimanga Umulodo and ufaka ama-video akhe la lanza khona abantu laba yise rehab ubone osimo labahlala kuso abathelela abatali labanye bashaya abatali so uma umntali nje unomntana lohluphako lokuthelelako lobhema dakamizwa wempita Umulodo ato ukusothela yena uyobuya kube ngazuthi akakase wabhema dakamizwa and this girl uyam-expose ngokuthi uqole emndeni wakhe 10,000 people are saying ukuthi giyalambe police station thina sendeni manje la ku TikTok ufuna sikuside ngani. Some said ukuthi ayikho nje wena indzaba yakho uscamming labantu wena labadlala bascam abantu bema fake accounts. Mulodo will never scam anyone. Uyasitana and une rehab ngokuqolana nje cha sesi ngikhiphe lapho Umulodo wona thani ulandzela fake accounts wabhadala yona imali bakuqola kanjalo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.